This is Kesman 93.3 FM, a new wave of excellence in radio.
Match no na omo hwe dombe so mo kafa ho. All right, quickly. Mami nko Marijata ho. Na hwe coach Nuru.
General obi o hwe Wafa any Kimfaisa bia no. Go ni free the right side of Kimfaisa team no almost score goal no on the left side of our team no. Meaning say Wafa right full back in hono almost share goal no, but the creativity was done at the left back. Similarly, Ashgold, obi a share Ashgold ni Kimfaisa right side and Kimfaisa prepare goal no, and almost share goal no on the other side. So quickly with me and screen so first of all analyze this situation uncoordinated press. Any part of white no yemoro. Three forward and one my bar no ba pressing. Now Kotoko aba become. Look at this situation in midfield after say Mudasiru cross no. The second ball was there to be taken. So from here Kimfaisa let pick the advantage and look at situation in here. 5 players against 3. And this is the advantage I can find. Always they try to attack the fullbacks. So Kotoko fullback tomorrow they say welcome. But she will be prepare go to the Yako. Now that is the position of the left fullback. And also a right fullback. And also one fan. He is nowhere to be found. And the bunny say no, it nullifies the 2 centre backs. Because when we open up, it could cover the fullback. So the first ball no had no more fighting for. And it was 4-on-2 at this point. But the situation was that because Imoro anyone that space, general can find out for an occupy. Now there's a big question here as to how the whole backline was caught on side and goalkeeper Balera had nothing to do apart from say mobile considered goal away. So also I share the second goal no after some you count the number of Kotoko players at this point or more come. And similarly, the same situation, Zuberun and Namsoro, and the whole idea was always to attack the fullbacks, Zuberun and Namsoro. But from this side, and be prepare go no Mashe. At this point, someone from Paul here, he's nowhere to be found. This is the second time I can first I prepare go on the other side. No Mashe on the other side of the team. Now, sir, analyze this situation now before Frank Watson kick ball in the Abano. By error, 2 players from Kotoko backline on the air fighting for a single ball. You also need to ask a question. Say, Imoro, attention on that player for Kimfaisa and Wahinfa. So the second ball, you have about 3 players chasing for a single ball, no makam, and it created that space within the back line. And I said it. This ball, even though a offside, but how vulnerable team stay within their own defense. Zuberi na sa nam soro. So I keep saying, say, and that is the offside line now at the clearly. Kimfaisa ball we say, nay offside. But yambo on no yanko. So Zuberu and Namsoro and you ask a question, say someone from Paul here for beam and Wakam Samuel appear Wakam. And me combine 2 games from last season under the same manager and Nurudin Amadou. And last season the enemy Apau is the man in that blue tower. And this was the ball now a committee foul and I can watch him see the same situation last season. So as I happen beam and now astronomer last season no General Yankai this season a Samuel appear last season it was Samuel from Pong but the decision making is some more by attacking fullbacks and pay and so last season the enemy Kotoko players in come but you count 2 blue towers Bako Yapo and a Bako Samuel appear last season fullback so appear na catch Udi can share earlier one not I'm from Pong catch earlier one not from Pong appear naka and it's toe on toe Kwampepra and Apple Miruna Eko getting into the area earlier no Uhubi the same thing and the account was say Apple committed this foul was done last season or Boise the same Apple defender now or committee we and one would also say sending Sano or the Ahobabe block Kwame and it was so controversial last season just as this season I know general but the last of it all Prosper TV now on Shannon so the fullbacks in Unihorma is pursued. So fullbacks in Minu bedroom midfield. Apau the centre back now okay on Kwampe Prano on an attention Kwampe fan Wakono. And the last defender saw Shechino on a play line on side. So defense on why na edge fullbacks in will be anyhow. Backward just strike and so on back who play line on side. Now to think say my fullbacks and on Ehonchromono, Kwampe decided say or connected to the fullback. Now General Shadibuha, this thing was done against Dreams last season. A ball ran that go posting. And me can want some say Kotoko back line or more attention na America ball so, but Omuja baby a dangerous areas so 3 defenders no but behind them situation in the now you're shocking fire Saudi. Similar situation. Almost said Nete and Ibrahim the general as against Dreams last season. So a Balera need nothing to do than to so save this ball on 1-on-1. But as against King Faisal, similar situation. Backline, so look at Ogum shape. Defensive shape in the where general shape of bear.
This is okay.
Mikraminim Ogum shape wa Yajibo and free hall baby defender. 7 players, but look at how I'm lining. Omacha can go half can go. And now appear no defender no moving inside, leaving the space. So when the Abella face against Dreams, and it can find a difference, ASA. So it means that defensively, Ariana no whole last season, the same Ariana or this
defense, no.
Yes. And King Faisal take their advantage,
wow.
General.
Na mfonsia na yebetwa so a 3. Okay.